Inventory in Annapolis is up 42% year over year, while new contracts are also up 20%, this report. It's Friday, August 8th, 2025. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker owner of Kinetic Realty, Maryland's boutique brokerage. This is the weekly Annapolis Real Estate Report. Homes are staying on the market 5 days longer than last year this time. Interesting to note that interest rates fell this week, last year, and also this week. Mortgage interest rates declined to the lowest level in 4 weeks, dropping for the third straight week following the economic data indicating a weakening U.S. economy, a negative jobs report, and quickly rising inflation numbers. Homes for sale dipped to 206, this report, at a median $742,500. 18 homes are coming soon, falling from last week's numbers. 32 homes went under contract in 9 days at a median $566,000. 36 homes sold for 99.9% list-to-sold ratio in 13 days, with a median sales price of $625,000. 14 homes sold in zip code 21401 at a median $725,000 sales price in 11 days. 14 homes sold in zip code 21403 at a median sold price of $536,000 in 26 days. 8 homes sold in zip code 21409 at a median $545,750 in 7 days. There are 43 homes for lease at $3,400 median per month. That's a wrap for this week's Annapolis Real Estate Report for Friday, August 8th, 2025. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend. Stay cool. I'll see you next week. Take care.